Yeah, Maddie just told her to run inside.
Oh, they're thinking.
Yeah, they're thinking already. Yeah, Cody's being stupid.
Like, he likes Stormy. Like, she's my girlfriend.
Why don't you start
Their neck and ears going on.
Thank you.
Okay, don't rip those nylons.
Bye, lady.
When do they go?
They're going to go right now.
Yeah.
Oh, but
Riders ready? Yep. And go!
Woohoo! Have fun!
oh, I forgot to do it again.
I got it.
Anytime I'm watching my own kid,
Okay, they have to
Go
keep
around
yeah.
the barrel.
Come on,
Oh,
come on,
Oh,
Cody.
yeah,
Oh, oh, what's she?
oh.
All right.
Okay, run.
Bring it back home, ladies.
Cody's being stupid.
Okay, at least she's keeping them under control.
Yes.
So that's a good thing. You're okay. Sit back.
Look at him. What's he doing? He's freaking out.